Ever looked at your garden and thought about sprouting some creativity amidst the greens? Let's introduce you to upcycling, a unique way to breathe new life into everyday items. It's about transforming what you might consider waste into beautiful and functional additions to your garden. In this video, we're going to explore some exciting projects, from tin can herb planters to a pallet garden table. Imagine the transformation your garden can undergo with these simple yet creative upcycling projects. Begin with something as simple as your empty tin cans. Transforming these overlooked items into charming herb planters is a breeze. First, clean out your cans and create some drainage holes at the bottom. Next, fill them up with good quality potting soil and plant your favorite herbs. Place these tin can planters in a sunny spot and watch your herbs thrive. Not only are they functional, but they also add a rustic charm to your garden. Voila! Your tin can herb planter is ready to green up your garden. Got an old pallet lying around? Turn it into a rustic garden table. Begin by sanding it down to smooth out any rough spots. Next, apply a coat of outdoor paint and let it dry. Once it's dry, add a second coat if needed. Now, attach some pre-cut legs and voila, your table is ready. This table isn't just functional, it also adds a touch of country charm to your garden. There you have it, your pallet garden table, a perfect blend of utility and charm. Now it's your turn to add a creative touch to your garden. Embrace upcycling, enrich the environment, and let your garden shine with uniqueness. With each project, you're not just decorating, but making a positive impact. Unleash your creativity and let your garden tell its own unique story. Adding a personal touch to your garden has never been this fun and easy. Remember, from tin can herb planters to pallet garden tables, upcycling is a creative and eco-friendly venture. Share your projects, let's inspire each other. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more creative garden ideas. Happy upcycling!